Good evening, my name is Bejidoluwafemi David. In this video, you are going to learn how to extract NetCDF datasets. A lot of people have come to me to ask me how to extract NetCDF dataset. So NetCDF dataset, they have a data with an extension .nc. Like this is a NetCDF dataset. This is for total PM 2.5 of pollutant, which I downloaded from Giovanni NASA. Okay, so what we do is we launch our ArcMap. Once we have launched our ArcMap, let me wait while it launches. Okay, I've launched my ArcMap. So the next thing I will do, I will press on this search, then I'll press NetCDF, then search. So I'll click on make NetCDF table view dimension. So you click on make NetCDF table view dimension. So once you have clicked that, then you will see this where you can open your folder. So I'm going to open my folder. It is in the way I saved it is in my downloads. So I'll click download, then I will select the one I want to use. Let me use the one for 2019. So I'll click OK. So it's loading. Now as we can, let's wait while it loads. So there are variables that we want to extract from the NetCDF file. So I will click on the variable. I will select this total surface PM 2.5. Then you come to this row dimension. You select longitude and latitude. Longitude and latitude. So you press OK. So as you can see, I've extracted the NetCDF as a table. So I can open it. So when you open it, you can see the data inside the table. So let's say it has a training zeros. So I can just come to these properties, come to numeric, then make it like 15 and press OK. So we can see this is the NetCDF. This is the data for each of the longitude and latitude. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So that is how to extract NetCDF data set. Thank you.